1970 Homelite Super XL Automatic. 58 cc's. Sporting a 16-inch sprocket nose bar. Pulling regular 3/8 pitch chain. And just like the 1965 Super XL from Mike and Dan Chainsaw Guys, this one really didn't take much to get it fired off. I put fuel and bar oil in it, squirted a little fuel mix down the carburetor, and basically it started right up. And again, I do have my exhaust fan running to suck the smoke out of the garage. Automatic oiler seems to be working. See, it's slinging some oil all over the garage floor and on my mat, it's actually just a discarded floor mat from some sort of car. I have no idea what. And I did actually have to just tweak the slow speed mixture just a tiny little bit, and I just had to tweak the idle speed just a tiny little bit. And I didn't even have to tighten up the chain on this one. Chain looks like it's in pretty good shape. Going to be making a test cut with it after work tomorrow. Now, I did make a test cut with the 65 Super XL, and chain needs to be sharpened, and I just need to put a new spark plug terminal and boot on it. So, not bad at all with that one. But this one here should be all ready to go very shortly. So tomorrow after work, I'll also probably try the XL12, which is a 1974 model. So video of that will be coming probably in the next day or so. So thanks for watching, and thanks again, Mike and Dan.